Mahindra XEV9 comes with a stunning ultra-wide display, and Spartan Shield is here to protect it. Start by cleaning the screen with the alcohol wipe provided. Make sure to remove all dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Next, dry the screen completely using the microfiber cloth for a smooth, spotless surface. Now, use the dust removal sticker to pick up any remaining fine particles. This step helps avoid air bubbles later. Gently peel off the backing of the screen protector. Align the protector carefully to the center of the display. Lower it onto the screen slowly, starting from one edge and letting it settle naturally across the surface. Press from the center outward using your fingers or the squeegee to remove any air bubbles. Finally, peel off the top protective film, and you're done. Clear, smooth, and protected Spartan Shield for the Mahindra XEV9, because your screen deserves the best.